Fishy, 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 swimming in the sea. Who will be my fishy friend? For my fish go deep. Hi everybody, welcome back to Learn and Fun with Toys. Learn and Fun with Toys. There's a lot of fishes in this world, and let's learn about some of them. This is our fish. Our fish are the longest fishes. This is carpet shark. Do you know carpet shark can camouflage and change their colors? This is pipefish. Pipefish are very tiny and they hide through the grass and they try to do too like this. So all sharks on the water can think that it's grass. These are jellyfishes. Jellyfishes are super duper beautiful. But do you know jellyfishes are so poisonous? You never have to touch them. This is flying fish. Flying fish can fly and go and swim underwater. This is mudskipper. Mudskipper stays on the muddy land and they can also swim. Archer fish. You know, they open their mouth inside the water. All the water goes inside their body.
Okay.
And they come out of the water and see a bug sitting on a plant. They used to spray the water out and the bug falls inside and they eat it. This is pufferfish. Do you know pufferfish can puffer, 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 puffer?
Oh my god.
Very big.
Are they balloon?
Yeah, they can. Sometimes they turn into balloons.
Really?
But pufferfish are very, very, very poisonous.
Really?
Yeah, they're poisonous fish.
Pufferfish are very poisonous.
These are clownfish. Clownfish look very pretty. Do you know clownfish lives in warm water? We have a very famous character of clownfish. It's Nemo. This is tripod fish. Tripod fish can stand on the water with their fins and tail. This is surgeonfish. Surgeonfish, when we touch their tail, they put it inside. And what comes out? Blood comes out.
How do they put the tail inside?
They have a very spooky tail. Never touch it. This is leafy sea dragon. You know leafy sea dragon has leaves so they can hide under the water. This is whale shark. You know whale shark is so big in the water, but they swim so slow. I think they're a bit lazy. This is blue ring octopus.
Hey.
Do you know how blue ring octopus does? Sometimes they can also walk. Blue ring octopus can light up their rings.
Blue ring octopus can light up their rings?
Yes.
When?
And blue ring octopus can light up their rings so sharks couldn't come near.
Do they?
Yeah.
So
when they come so near, the lights will go inside their eyes and they will die.
Really?
Yes.
Will they die?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is lionfish and they don't roar. The orca, but they have two names.
Okay, really?
Yes.
Orca have two names.
Yes.
What's the other name?
Killerfish.
Killerfish.
Yeah. Orca and killerfish.
Wow.
Every people call them killerfish and some people call them orca.
Okay.
This is manta ray. Manta ray is super duper big and they eat tiny sea animals. Great white shark. Great white shark can, but when humans irritate them, They eat us. When humans pet them, they don't. These are sea turtles. Sea turtles has a hard shell and they live in water and land as well. This is hammer and shark. You know, they got a face like this. Like an elephant, also like a hammer. Tick, 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 tick. These are dolphins. They're very cute. They can sound like this. This is gray whale. Gray whales are so big. But also blue whale. Gray whale can swim very, very, very far and fast. Like this. Bye! See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.